Hello and welcome to the first video of this series, and for this first video I'm just going to do a simple video on how to make realistic terrain. So what you want to do is go straight to the asset store and download something called World Builder. What you want to do is click up in the search bar and just type in World Builder. Then it should be the first thing that comes up. It is free, so don't worry about that. What you want to do is click here and click download and import, but I've already downloaded it, so all I have to do is click import. It shouldn't take very long, and that's all you have to do. Click the X. Sorry, it hasn't finished yet. Yeah, it's just importing some trees and textures. So good. Okay, now it's done. So what you want to do is click on Game Object, Create Other, Terrain. And here we have a simple terrain. So what you want to do is click on it. Don't mess around with any of these, because it does it all for you. Click on the window, and go down to World Builder. And straight away, you want to make sure Use Random Seed is ticked. Unless you want to try and get the same as me, which you'll say at the bottom. I'll go on console so you get the same one. But either way, just click Use Random Seed and then just hit Generate. Okay, so this is what it gives me the first try. I want a mountain in the middle or somewhere on it, so I'm just going to move the mountain frequency up a little bit. So what we're going to do is just mess around with all these settings until you get a nice one. So if I move the mountain frequency right up, we should get some pretty crazy results. Yep. So just move it down to around 50. Hopefully this will work. Nope. Move it down a bit more. 38. Yeah, this sorry, this all I have to do. And then you can use it to set up textures. You click add texture and you can mess around with all this, but it doesn't work very well. Well, I don't really know how to use it. So the first thing you want to do is click set up foliage, so you can set up so it automatically places down trees and grass. I'm not sure if this actually works because I couldn't get it to change anything. So just hit generate trees. This max hill angle is actually a pretty decent one, which means it can't be placed on like hills that are steep like this. So if there's like a vertical drop, it won't have trees like sliding down the side. And yeah, I think this is a pretty decent result. You can get like forest and stuff. I'll click generate trees again just to show you. It'll remove all the trees and then add more trees in. Yeah, so that's pretty good. Now you can click generate grass. I'll move this up to about 20, because 5 isn't very much. So just hit generate grass. The generate grass will not work at the start because it doesn't always find the right grass. Oh yeah, these using seeds, so you get the same terrain as I've got here. You just unclick use random seed and then you type it in here. Yeah, so just go ahead and click on the X once you've found yours. I'm just going to make this bigger. Yeah, that'll do. Just need to clear out the console. And then what you want to do is click on the terrain and then go over to paint texture. Then just add a grass texture. You can get the World Builder to set up your textures automatically, but I can't get it to work. Maybe you can figure it out. So yeah, put the X on 4 and Y on 4 because 15 is too much. And yeah, there we go. And if you don't do it automatically, you will have to add more textures and add the sand in and stuff, but I'm not going to do that for this one. Anyway, so if you go down onto the ground, these trees aren't very good. I'll see if I can get a different one. I'm not sure if I have one in this project. No, it doesn't. No, it's palm trees. No. Yeah, this is fine. Oh yeah, if you want to get the trees to work with the wind, you'll have to change this bend factor to 1. But on both. Yeah, anyway, as you notice, there isn't any grass. So what you want to do is click this paint details and you'll see it's missing. Delete the one on the right, and then just click on the first one. And then you're going to click this little circle, find your grass, click on it, and there you go. Now this green, isn't very good. Sorry, it does lag when you have lots of grass. So change the width. I like 0.6 is a good one. So change it to 0.6, where you can have it longer or whatever, it doesn't really matter for all of them. Maybe the width 0.8. Yep, and then the healthy colour, this bright green, is not a realistic grass colour. So each one of those bring this up to bright white. And then the dry colour, make sure it's on green. And then just sort of click somewhere around here. So like in between white and the green. There you go. You hit apply and that's some pretty decent grass. Also you can change the trees and everything. And if you click on character, just simply drag in the first person. And sorry, this is lagging a bit. Yeah, hit F to focus on it. Just drag this up so it's not in the ground. And hit play. And there we go. You can't really see anything because I haven't added a light. Let me just quickly add one. So add a light and you go and create other directional light. And there you go, much better. You can fiddle around with all this settings, but it doesn't really matter. And yeah, so the grass does move around a bit, quite a lot. Oh, actually, yeah, I'll show you how to do that. So what you do, click on terrain, go on the grass, then you go on edit, click on the colour, and then you're going to want to move the alpha value down. I'm not sure how far. Maybe that's too far, I don't know. Just move the values down. That should be it. Yep. See? And now they just sort of have a nice wind. I'm sorry. And yeah, so you can obviously find a nice place to put a beach. Maybe not there. It's a little steep. Yeah, here we'll do. So what we're going to do, click on the tree, and then you hold shift to delete the trees. Again, it does lag because there are a lot of trees. Hopefully I have a sand texture. Sorry, not edit. You want to go on edit textures and add texture. Select. Do I have sand? I do not. Do I have that? Yep. Okay, we're going to have to use that for this one. So I put the X and the Y on 4 because 15 is way too much. Why didn't that work? Oh, sorry, the opacity is on 1. And yeah, so just move this, drag this about, and then you can change all this. Let's see if we can get the first person controller over here. It's way too high. Yep, okay. And now, what you want to do is get your water. I'll just add in the simple daylight water. I will do a tutorial on how to get better water, but I'm not going to do that now. So you can drag it down, and then just move this scale right the way up, so that it covers the whole area. Now you will have to go through and delete all the trees that are under the water, but in fact this water is a tiny bit too high. Sorry, that's because of the lag. Where's it going up? Sorry, I'm really confused. Oh, but wait, apparently I'm moving the terrain. Yeah, I think it's because I've clicked this lock. Yeah, it's because I clicked the lock key. Sorry, that was completely my fault. So, yeah. So click on simple water, move it down till you get it to wherever you want it to. Yeah, that's fine, and then you're going to have to do the same way to delete trees, but using the grass. This water isn't good at all. Hit play. And yeah, there we go. You have a nice island with water. This water's rubbish. I will do a tutorial on how to make a better one, to get a better one. And anything else? Oh yeah, sorry, on the directional light you can add shadows, do hard shadows. You can use soft shadows, but hard shadows is well, I find it's better. I will show you what the shadows do. Yeah. So yeah, the shadows on the trees. This shadow is a bit too dark, so what you want to do is find your directional light and then turn the strength down to about there. So 0.43 is a fairly good one. Obviously you can just move it up, 0.51, yep, and then just mess around with this. And yeah, obviously you'll have loads of shadows in your forests, but you can't see them from very far away. And to change that, you click terrain, click this cog, and then you want to change all these detail objects. So the detail distance, just want to hit that max up. Billboard start. I mean, this is gonna lag. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. So that's all I'm going to show you. You will need to optimize this. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Say in the comments below if you want what tutorials you want me to do in the future, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Just please rate, comment and subscribe.